How to use the Read Squared app. Grown-ups, log into the Read Squared app with your username and password. Scroll down and you'll see your linked readers, your kid accounts. Let's look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Reader Accounts. Here, you can switch from your account to one of your linked reader accounts. When you switch to a kid's account, you will see a variety of options become available on the left menu. Click on the pen icon to log reading activity. You can just click Log Reading. Remember, the Tails and Tales Reading Challenge logs minutes read, and the 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten program logs books read. Enter the minutes read and click your reader's name. It will change from red to green. Scroll down and click Submit. Yay! You have logged some reading activity. Back to the left menu. Click the envelope to check for messages. This feature is working. Be sure to look here for messages from your librarians. Click this icon to access your missions. Missions are activities that you can complete to earn badges. This is where Page Turner Adventure content is located. New missions are being added throughout the summer. Remember, the more badges you earn, the more entries you'll have in the grand prize drawing. This icon will take you to games. The more you read, the more games you will have access to in Read Squared. This is the game board icon. It shows your progress through the reading challenge. Ignore the calendar icon. We're not currently using that feature. This is the reading list icon. You can find suggested reading lists here. This icon shows you your reading log history. Looking for reading recommendations? Click this icon. Readers can create book reviews in Read Squared. Click here to access those reviews. If you are looking at your linked readers on the main screen, the Recycle icon takes you to that reader's account. The gear icon takes you to your reader's account settings. The phone icon takes you to mobile text settings. We hope this was helpful. Still have questions? Please contact FCL Youth Services. Happy reading!